Shuoni and public dumping station.
So we dumped our waste. Now Amy is doing the grey water. And I am thinking that we should find somewhere to refill this also. That
Camper van had quite a bit of problem.
yes. First off, they couldn't unplug their power plug. Cocktail.
It's nice.
The song is nice. What's wrong with it? I have no idea what song this is though. Let me take a look. Attention on here. So I guess this is our fourth pail ongoing. And there's someone here. Great.
Well, I was in a pose.
So apparently they're going to the front, so should be fine.
They cut you.
Pose for grey water. As we can't find it, we have no idea where it went. So yeah.
You need to do the last bill.
Done. How much do you use?
Maybe you should buy beer on the list.
That should be added to the list.
Dumping the duck right for our
Kids at toilet.
and then down into the drain. See how that one is the dumping one, this is the grey water. The cap drop into that drain with all the chemicals. The human sacrifice. Put my disgusting hands in to take the disgusting thing out, and then guess what we realized after that? We had gloves. We bought gloves, but I didn't use the gloves because I'm an idiot. Hello.
Warehouse. And these two are shopping. And we are continuing our search for them. We have gotten our stuff.
Yay! I didn't know you would do
Ouch. Decline. Invalid transaction. Shall we just go over to over there? Card usage net. Invalid transaction.
I didn't activate that card.
So we
Anau. We had planned to come here before night falls and we did. So we're going for a walk now. I think we're still a bit behind schedule, but looking for my hand cream. Where did my hand cream go? I don't know. So the plan was to come here before nightfall and take a walk, which is what we're doing now. I think we still can plan this time management better. Oh, there's my cream there. So that we actually, don't have lunch at 4 p.m. and then end up having dinner at 10 p.m. which actually works very well with the Singapore night time zone, but what is that? But it's not very healthy also because we're eating and then we're showering and then we're sleeping. I made some coffee and tea. That's my tent for tonight. Go for a walk. We're now at a park. And this is the lake across from our holiday park, which is just right there, the white color house. Let's go. Oh, everyone's waiting for me. Hi, we'd like to book the Milford Sound. 11:31. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give them a ring and see if they're open.
Yeah. 144 campsite. Yeah.
Did I give you one of these maps before?
No.
No? So this is a map of the road up there. So these are all the different stops that you can do.
Yeah.
So some are photo opportunities, some are short walks. So welcome. Have a good night.
And I booked.
믿지마 너도 나를 믿지마
나도 너를 믿지 않아 서로 재밌지만
서로 속이는 게임
이건 어때
난 되게 unfair
느낌